Hello and welcome to the Great North Gardener. Here you can find help in starting and creating a garden for your home. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of houseplants, but not just any houseplants. We're talking about the superheroes of the plant world, the ones that can actually purify the air you breathe. That's right, we're about to embark on a journey to discover 9 incredible houseplants that are not only easy to care for, but are also experts at cleaning the air in your home. So, whether you're a seasoned plant parent or just starting out, grab your watering can and let's get growing. First up, we have the spider plant, a plant that's about as chill as they come. Seriously, these guys are practically impossible to kill, which makes them the perfect roommates, especially if you're a bit forgetful when it comes to watering. But don't let their laid-back attitude fool you. Spider plants are secretly working hard behind the scenes, filtering out all sorts of nasty toxins from the air like carbon monoxide and xylene. They're like the silent guardians, the watchful protectors okay, you get the idea. The best part is, spider plants are super easy to propagate. Just snip off one of their little spider babies, pop it in some water, and boom, you've got yourself a brand new plant. It's like magic, but with less glitter and more leaves. So, if you're looking for a low-maintenance, air-purifying superstar, the spider plant is your new best friend. Trust me, they're way more fun than that dust bunny you've been meaning to vacuum up. Now let's move on to our next contender, a plant that's so cool, it's practically James Dean in plant form. That's right, it's the snake plant. This bad boy is as tough as nails and can survive even the most neglectful plant parent. Seriously, you could probably forget to water this thing for a month, and it would still be giving you the side eye while silently judging your watering habits. But hey, we're not here to judge. We're here to celebrate the snake plant's incredible air-purifying abilities. This plant is like a toxin-eating machine, gobbling up formaldehyde, benzene, and trichloroethylene like they're going out of style. And the best part is, snake plants are pretty low-key when it comes to their care requirements. They prefer indirect sunlight, so you don't have to worry about them turning into crispy critters if you leave them in a sunny window for too long. Plus, they only need to be watered when the soil is completely dry, making them the perfect plant for busy bees or those of us who are prone to accidental overwatering. Trust me, I've been there. So, if you're looking for a low-maintenance, air-purifying powerhouse that's as cool as a cucumber, the snake plant is the one for you. Just try not to get into any staring contests with it. Those eyes can be a bit intense. Now let's talk about the peace lily, a plant that's as elegant as it is effective. This beauty is known for its stunning white flowers, which look like they were sculpted by angels themselves. But don't let its delicate appearance fool you. The peace lily is a force to be reckoned with when it comes to cleaning up the air in your home. This plant is like a toxin-busting ninja, silently taking down harmful pollutants like formaldehyde, ammonia, and benzene without breaking a sweat. It's like having your very own air purification system, but way prettier and less expensive. And the best part is, peace lilies are surprisingly low maintenance. They prefer low to medium light, so you don't have to worry about them throwing a tantrum if they don't get enough sun. Just make sure to keep their soil moist, but not soggy, and they'll reward you with their beautiful blooms and fresh, clean air. It's a win-win situation, really. So if you're looking for a plant that's as beautiful as it is beneficial, the peace lily is the perfect choice. Just be prepared for your friends to be green with envy when they see this stunning plant gracing your home. Next up, we have the aloe vera, a plant that's practically a superhero in disguise. Not only is it known for its incredible healing properties, but it's also a whiz at purifying the air. Talk about a multitasker. This succulent superstar is like a natural air freshener, removing harmful toxins like formaldehyde and benzene from the air, while also adding a touch of green to your home. It's like having a breath of fresh air, bottled up in a plant. But that's not all. Aloe vera is also famous for its soothing gel, which can be used to treat everything from burns and cuts to dry skin and acne. It's like having a first aid kit and a beauty product all rolled into one. And the best part is, aloe vera is incredibly easy to care for. Just give it a sunny spot and water it sparingly, and it will reward you with its healing powers and air-purifying abilities. So, if you're looking for a plant that's as versatile as it is beneficial, the aloe vera is the perfect choice. It's like having a little piece of nature in your home, ready to heal and purify whenever you need it. Now, let's talk about English ivy, a plant that's as charming as it is effective. This trailing beauty is known for its ability to add a touch of elegance to any room, But did you know that it's also a mold-busting machine? That's right, English ivy is like the superhero of the plant world, swooping in to save the day and your home from the dreaded mold spores. It's like having a natural air purifier that also happens to look incredibly chic. But that's not all. English ivy is also great at removing other harmful pollutants from the air, like formaldehyde and benzene. It's like having a breath of fresh air delivered straight to your living room. And the best part is, English ivy is surprisingly low maintenance. Just give it a spot with bright indirect light and keep its soil moist, and it will reward you with its air purifying powers and stunning good looks. So, if you're looking for a plant that's as beautiful as it is beneficial, English ivy is the perfect choice. It's like having a little piece of nature in your home, working hard to keep your air clean and your decor on point. Moving on to the Boston Fern, a plant that's as lush and vibrant as a tropical rainforest. This beauty is like a breath of fresh air, literally. It's known for its ability to increase humidity, making it the perfect plant for those who suffer from dry skin or respiratory problems. But that's not all. Boston ferns are also great at removing harmful toxins from the air, like formaldehyde and xylene. It's like having your very own air purification system, but way prettier and less expensive. Now, Boston ferns can be a bit dramatic when it comes to their care requirements. They prefer humid environments and don't like to be too dry. Think of them as the divas of the plant world. But don't worry, keeping your Boston fern happy is easier than you think. Just mist it regularly, give it a spot with indirect light, and make sure its soil stays moist. Trust me, the reward of fresh, clean air and a touch of tropical paradise in your home is well worth the effort. So, if you're looking for a plant that's as beneficial as it is beautiful, the Boston fern is the perfect choice. Just be prepared to up your humidity game and give this diva the royal treatment it deserves. Chapter 7. Bamboo Palm, the Tropical Toxin Eliminator. Let's talk about the bamboo palm, a plant that's as cool and collected as its name suggests. This tropical beauty is like a vacation for your senses, bringing a touch of the tropics to your home. But don't let its laid-back vibe fool you. The bamboo palm is a force to be reckoned with when it comes to cleaning up the air. This plant is like a formaldehyde-fighting ninja, silently taking down this harmful toxin with ease. It's like having your very own air purification system, but way prettier and less expensive. And the best part is, bamboo palms are surprisingly low maintenance. They prefer bright, indirect light and like their soil to be kept moist but not soggy. Just think of them as the Goldilocks of the plant world. Not too much, not too little, just right. So if you're looking for a plant that's as beneficial as it is beautiful, the bamboo palm is the perfect choice. It's like having a little piece of paradise in your home, working hard to keep your air clean and your decor on point. Chapter 8. Rubber Plant, the Pollutant-Fighting Powerhouse. Now let's talk about the rubber plant, a plant that's as bold and beautiful as its name suggests. This statement piece is known for its large, glossy leaves that can add a touch of drama to any room. But don't let its good looks fool you. The rubber plant is a powerhouse when it comes to cleaning up the air. This plant is like a toxin-eating machine, gobbling up harmful pollutants like formaldehyde, benzene, and trichloroethylene like they're going out of style. It's like having your very own air purification system, but way prettier and less expensive. And the best part is, rubber plants are surprisingly low maintenance. They prefer bright, indirect light, and like their soil to dry out slightly between waterings. Just think of them as the independent type, perfectly capable of taking care of themselves. So, if you're looking for a plant that's as beneficial as it is beautiful, the rubber plant is the perfect choice. It's like having a little piece of nature in your home, working hard to keep your air clean and your decor on point. Chapter 9. Dracaena, the Air-Purifying All-Star. Last but not least, we have the Dracaena, a plant that's as diverse as it is beneficial. This family of plants comes in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, so you're sure to find one that suits your style. But no matter which Dracaena you choose, you can be sure that it's working hard to keep your air clean and your home healthy. Dracaenas are like the air-purifying all-stars of the plant world, tackling a wide range of harmful toxins, including formaldehyde, benzene, trichloroethylene, and xylene. It's like having your very own air purification system, but way prettier and less expensive. And the best part is, Dracaenas are surprisingly low maintenance. They prefer bright, indirect light and like their soil to dry out slightly between waterings. Just think of them as the easygoing friends who are always up for anything. So, if you're looking for a plant that's as beneficial as it is beautiful, the Dracaena is the perfect choice. It's like having a little piece of nature in your home, working hard to keep your air clean and your decor on point. So, there you have it. 9 incredible houseplants that are not only easy to care for, but are also experts at cleaning the air in your home. It's like having your own little army of air-purifying superheroes, working tirelessly to keep your home fresh and healthy. Which one of these air-purifying champions will you be adding to your plant family? Tell us what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to The Great North Gardener for more plant-tastic tips and tricks. Happy gardening!